Hi, this is Jason with Fixer Company Plumbing, and we've got a slab leak today. Come on in. We got a slab leak today, and we jackhammered in this room, pulled the carpet back, and tunneled up underneath the bathtub. And I'm going to show you how we tunneled up underneath the tub. Where's that flashlight at? Okay. This is underneath the house. It's a slab here. You can see the tub drain, everything. This is above the slab. And then down below, we've cut out the bad section of pipe. And you can see here, we put a drain on it right there so that we can easily drain it down if we have a leak on the solder joint. We started right here at this 90 right there, and then we moved to that 90 up and over in order to replace that section right there. And it's all silver soldered. You can tell because of kind of the, well, if you can't really see it, but it's kind of like a black color on the copper line. And anyways, that's the slab leak repair, and that's on a 3/4 water line on the hot side. And you have that piece of pipe that we took out. This right here, if I can find it here. There. That is the slab leak. You can tell it's about the, compared to the size of my thumb, it's about almost 3/8 of an inch. But you can see on the inside of this pipe, if you can see in there, there's like little green nodules. If I can get it angled just right. There's like little green nodules on the inside of there. And those are the beginnings of a slab leak, where it forms like an electrolysis, and that's when it starts to eat the pipe up. Anyways, that's the slab leak, and that's the dirt, and it's all going to be going back. And have a nice day.